Now, the factors affecting the refractive indices are: number one is nature of the medium, number two temperature, and number three is wavelength or the color of the light. If you see the nature of the medium is so many types are there, but if you will take genuinely the three types, this is air medium, water medium, and glass medium. Out of these three, speed of the light is what in the glass the least, then water little more than that of the glass, then air is much more than that of the water, or much more than that of the glass, we can say. If the speed of the light is more then the refractive index, just recently I said they it will be less. That is say the nature of the medium. Number two, temperature. As we have studied in the class even ninth, as the temperature rises, speed of the light increases by 0.61 meter per second. So since speed increases, if speed increases, what happens? The refractive index decreases. So as the temperature increases, speed of the light increases. As speed of the light increases, then the refractive index decreases. You have to write like this. Number three, the wavelength of the light. Wavelength of light and speed of the light. These two are directly proportional. I have said its peaks also. Wavelength is directly proportional to the speed of the light. That means if you see Vibgyor ray, Vibgyor is the spectrum, violet light, VIBGYOR, violet light, and the last one, red light. Out of these two, red is having highest wavelength, that is 8000 angstrom, whereas violet light is having near about 4000 angstrom is the wavelength of the violet light. Now, if I compare, wavelength of the red light is more and the speed of the red light is also more, then the speed is more, then refractive index will be, obviously it will be less. So name the light or name the spectrum which has a least refractive index. The answer will be red light, because wavelength is more, so its refractive index will be less. Next comes out after the factors, principle of reversibility of light. When light ray is passing through one medium, passing from one medium to the another medium, and it strikes to a reflecting surface, that's let it be mirror, then it retraces the same path. जिस पाथ में वो आया था उसी पाथ में वो वापस चला जाएगा. इस फिनोमेनन को हम बोलते हैं प्रिंसिपल ऑफ रिवर्सिबिलिटी ऑफ लाइट. लेकिन उस रास्ते में आने के बाद दूसरा एक मीडियम से दूसरा मीडियम को जब वो जाता है, तभी उसके आसपास और उसके पास परपेंडिकुलरली उसे एक रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस मिलना चाहिए, मिलेगा तभी वो वापस जाएगा उसी रास्ते में. इस फिनोमेनन को हम बोलते हैं प्रिंसिपल ऑफ रिवर्सिबिलिटी ऑफ लाइट. नेक्स्ट कम्स, इफ प्रिंसिपल ऑफ रिवर्सिबिलिटी में लाइट देखा जाएगा, एक मीडियम से दूसरा मीडियम जब हम लाइट रे आता है तब उसका रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स दे वर रेसिप्रोकल रिलेटेड. दैट मीन्स रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ द सेकेंड मीडियम इज इक्वल टू 1 by refractive index of the first medium. This is the way to learn. Next comes, if a light ray is traveling from or passing from one medium to the another medium, in that case its one factor does not change, that is frequency does not change. And if it is passing from the first medium to the second medium, its wavelength changes, its speed also changes. Then if you are finding out the wavelength of the second medium, then speed of the light in the second medium by speed of the light in first medium multiplied by wavelength of the light in the first medium. I have already sent it, its pics also. Please go through that, you will get more better. Okay, this is just a video I'm replying. I'm just trying to make you understand clearly, and you can pause the video and you can also listen the video once again if you are not understanding. If you can also pause, listen again and again, so that you will understand that line particularly. Conditions of the light ray to pass undeviated. First condition is, if a light ray is passing normally, as angle of incidence and angle of refraction are same, that is equal to 0 degree, that's why it will go undeviated. Number two, if both the mediums are having same refractive index, then also the light ray goes undeviated. That means if it is a homogeneous medium, that means same medium, then the light ray does not deviate. When a light ray, now we are going to learn about the lateral displacement. you have to take one of the rectangular glass slab having parallel surfaces, means opposite sides are parallel, rectangles. So let a light rays passing through it from its one of the refracting surface. Then it will bend towards the normal when it passes through the glass. Again, when it passes out of the glass through the second refracting surface, it goes bend. That ray is called emergent ray, and the incident ray is there already, which one you have inserted. Now incident ray is produced forward and the emergent ray is already there, and the perpendicular distance between the incident ray produced forward and the emergent ray is known as lateral displacement. So tomorrow I'm going to make the video what are the factors of lateral displacement and why the second image formed through reflection is brighter than that of the first image. Thank you. Please follow that and do the task, and physics how much I taught you. Please read this question answers. I'll be sending the questions soon. Thank you.